Our universe is a collaborative, decentralized network. The teeniest of atoms, the grandest galaxies, and even the human mind are all part of this smart web. Mankind created the internet. It was imagined in unison with the universe, a space of connectivity, freedom, and shared knowledge, but no more. The internet is rotten. It has become centralized, unbalanced, outdated. Its very construction precludes the safety of its users. It cannot be repaired. We must build a new internet. Cyber Republic is a space where Elastos has started to build a safe and decentralized internet that belongs to all of us. Here you will meet others, like you, want to change the world. In Cyber Republic, every person is an essential node in a vast network spanning the globe. There are no borders. Everyone can play a part in the evolution of the new internet. We hereby invite talent from all corners of the earth to join us and be rewarded. Any individual and any other blockchain project is welcome to help. Our mission must succeed. The world must free the internet. Sign up, connect, change the world forever.